Hello and welcome back. My name is Tyva and I'm going to show you how to open up your free account with Pensight. What I absolutely love about this website, it hosts everything under one roof. And this is a great website recommendation for people that are new to having their own online store. And it's very streamlined and easy to learn how to do. One of the reasons why I recommend Pensight is because it's newbie and beginners friendly. So even though you're not computer savvy or tech savvy, you will still be able to figure out this app. And the best part of this app is that you can actually do your one-on-one consultations as well as uploading your digital products. I am very excited about Pensight because it allows you to start off as a newbie and grow into an expert. So as you grow in your technical knowledge and you need more tools in order to grow yourself and your business, this website will grow right along with you. Pensight has the ability for you to do one-on-one sessions right within the app. And for those of you that actually have had one-on-one sessions with your customers or clients, you will understand the value and the convenience of this. Having this option within the website, even if you're not consulting right now, is a great value. Have you had a link tree before or another linking app? Not only does Pensight have a Linktree type look, Pensight takes it a step further by having all of those services under one roof. I have personally used other sellers' accounts, and Pensight hands down is one of the best ones that I've ever used. I used a scheduling app and it looked similar to this, but it didn't have all the features that I needed and I paid much more. This is one of the reasons why I highly recommend this app, because you can open up a free account, and as you grow and you need more options, then you can upgrade to a pro account. Not only is this website user and newbie friendly, your clients will be very impressed about how streamlined your business is. And for those of you that have used linking apps like Linktree before, when you're working in your Pensight back office to set up your website, it actually works similar. So my takeaway when it comes to Pensight is the developers really took the time out to listen to the need of digital creators and content creators. I wish I came across this app sooner. I paid up to $200 per month for all of the services that Pensight actually offer. To get your free Pensight page, please go to the description box below this video and click that link. On the next few slides, I'm going to show you briefly what are some other benefits of actually having a Pensight account. I really wish I would have found this website or this app sooner. Pensight has saved me a lot of money. It's also saved me a lot of time. Now, ever since the first lesson in the description box below the video, I told you all to get a Stripe account. Sometimes it takes a couple days for your Stripe account to become active, which is one of the reasons why I introduced that way in the beginning. You're going to have different platforms that's going to require you to have Stripe. So it's a free account. And it's something that I highly recommend to everyone, especially because it's a secure form of payment for your clients, and that's how you're going to get paid. The benefit to adding this website or app to your business grossly outweighs the cons. And the platform is so easy to navigate and do. I really don't have to do a tutorial on it, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk through it today anyway. So go to my playlist or go to any of the other videos and look for the seller's account. I think it's like the number 3 option. I'm not going to talk during this process. I'm just going to let you see what I do on the screen. I'm going to open up a brand new account, and I'm just going to play some music in the background because creators know that when you're creating and playing music, it helps you think better.
You fell away. What more can I say? The feelings evolved. I won't let it out. I can't replace your screaming face. Feeling the sickness inside. Why won't you die? This feeling's evolved, so soon to break out. I can't relate to a happy state, feeling the blood run inside. Why won't you die? Your blood in mine will be fine. Then your body will be mine.
Okay, so now we're approaching the end of this walkthrough. Some of the things that I highly recommend is you go through all of your options, play around with it. You can't mess it up. It's a free account. You have the tools that's necessary in order to start your free account. Those of you that are new to my channel, please go to my playlist on my channel and you'll be able to watch all of these how-to videos in order. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm actually excited for you because you're learning a app or a website that's going to allow you to generate passive income. So now that you know how to create your own digital product, how to edit it, how to name it, how to upload it to your seller's account, we're going to talk about some technical things in the later lessons, like what's SEO and the importance of SEO, and other important need-to-know tips that aren't really common knowledge. Any other recommendations that I may have, if you're going to use Pensight for your business, I highly recommend you go pro. Many options with the free account, but even more options when you go pro. And this is the end of the lesson. Thanks again for trusting me with your learning, and I wish you the best of luck on your digital product journey.